Hello everyone, I am Vismay. Today I will show you the demo of AI agent built with n8n. I have integrated this AI agent with WhatsApp. I have added one WhatsApp trigger and added one AI agent and added the OpenAI models and integrated Google Calendar, ClickUp and MongoDB and Pinecone vector tool for the knowledge base. Now let's check out the demo. Let's say create task of create task create Node.js API for fetch customer data. As you can see, the task has been created successfully, and let's check in. Now click on the link. As you can see, the task has been created. Now let's go to the next prompt. Let's say I want to create the meeting on Google Calendar. Create event meeting with Mr. Smith related to requirement understanding on 34. The event has been created successfully. Let's check on Google Calendar. As you can see, the meeting has been created successfully. Now let's go ahead. Let's say I want customer details. Who is active? So it will fetch data from the MongoDB. As you can see, these two customers are active. Let me show you the MongoDB data. You can check is active true for these two customers, and another one is false. So it is only fetching two records. Now let's move to the another prompt. Let's say suggest me top 5 animation tools. As you can see, it is also giving the general questions answers. Now let's move to the another prompt, which is knowledge base. First of all, let me show you the PDF. I have used OpenAI to embed this PDF. I have already fine-tuned OpenAI using this PDF data. So whenever I ask question related to the study material management system, it will fetch results from the Pinecone vector DB. Let's say list out distinct functionalities of study material management system. As you can see, it is showing block tagging notifications and notice board. Let's check the PDF. As you can see, this is distinct functionality from the PDF. Block tagging notifications notice board. Let's ask another questions. As you can see, it is showing PHP and MySQL. Let's check the PDF. As you can see, it is showing result from the PDF. Now let's ask another question. Who are the contributors of this project? As you can see, it is showing the contributors. Let me open the PDF. You can see the team members. This is the example of customer details who is active. Let's take example of status of my blood report. So if you write like I want to know the status of my blood report, so if your agent connected with your business database, then it will be fetched from the database and then it will show the status like this. You can also use this whole scenario in your business. You can use all this scenario according to your business requirements. If you want to this kind of custom AI agent for your business, contact me. Thanks.